So in terms of obviously you being a facilities manager in a co-working space like Spaces, I mean, what sort of problems does this solve for you, would you say?
So the office that we've got at the minute seats about 12 people, and lovely office, but it's not private at all. There's nowhere to take a private call, nowhere to just sort of dampen the sound a little bit. If you're going to have calls, everyone's talking all at once. So I think the big thing for us was if we were going to take another office to have as a meeting room, we could end up with potentially something about the same size as we've already got, which is kind of a waste of money, and also you don't need a space that big for a little meeting. So this for us allows us to have a booth where you can still be part of the office, but have somewhere private to have a call, or just even, not doesn't necessarily need to be private, it's just so you're not disturbing everyone else as well while you're working as well.
Great stuff.
And it allows us to take it with us if we move.
Yeah, definitely.
And there's so many benefits to it, to be honest. It was one of the main things that came back with the feedback when we've just opened this space, was that there wasn't enough private space to have a call or something like that. So this is going to tick one of those boxes. Feedback from the team. So.
Great stuff. And in terms of install time, obviously it's taken us a couple of hours this morning. Appreciate you asked your guys not to come in today, but was that a sort of selling factor as well, that you said speed of install?
Yeah, generally did a lot of research, as we sort of discussed earlier, and a big thing for us was lead time from a lot of business. We were looking at 16 weeks plus. You guys did it in 3-4 weeks, I think. But also we haven't lost 3 days worth of waiting for build works or anything like that. We've had you guys in a morning, and you've done it all. So yeah. Brilliant.
And I suppose, as you said earlier about the dilapidation works, is that when you move this, there's no walls to repair and things like that.
Yeah, this is one of the big selling points for this, was the fact that we thought, we're growing so fast at the minute, what if we want a different office, what if we want a bigger one, what if we want our own space? This allows us to take it with us rather than being stuck paying build works and dilapidation. So.
Perfect. Ellen, you're natural. Thank you very much. First take, brilliant. Excellent.
No problem.
Thank you.